So is there or is there not a crisis in Jamaican sprinting? The Maverick says yes, especially in men's sprinting. And no amount of optimism and positivity and looking into the crystal ball can credibly counteract my conclusion. Not when Jamaica comes out of an international event, winning more gold medals in 800 and steeplechase and shot put and discus than we won in 100-meter and 200-meter sprinting. And it's not just the medals at the Commonwealth Games, but since last year's retirement of Usain Bolt, our male presence in big sprint events watered down bad. Only Bolt and Blake made the 100 or 200 finals at the Rio Olympics, and Blake did not medal. And we only have Blake's bronze medal to show from the male sprints at these Commonwealth Games. The same Blake who is basically still recovering from serious injury. So all this talk about Kemar Bailey Cole and Julian Fort and Javon Minzy, etc., we still don't know. And obviously, no one can replace Bolt. But we would at least love to see some young and upcoming prospects who we can say, yes, 5 or 6 years' time, and them youth they're going to take over. Like we can say on the female side about Kevona Davis and Brianna Williams and Brianna Liston, etc. And even here and now, Elaine Thompson is still young at 25, with Christina Williams and Sherika Jackson not far behind. Where are the male equivalent waiting in the wings? Where them there? Them invisible right now. them out, but them invisible. Well, all right. Well, me invisible too. See that? Me invisible too. When you guys see me invisible too.